AI to write your earnings remarks or adding a chatbot to your messaging app. Today they came from
the AI heard around the world.
Customer Deirdre, I guess
Imagine stepping into a world where technology breaks the conventional chains of video production, where innovation takes the reins to redefine creativity. This is not merely a fantasy, but the reality we're about to unfold. Today, we will explore Google's groundbreaking video editing tool Dreamix and NVIDIA's trailblazing graphics processing technology Picasso. So immerse yourself in this extraordinary narrative as we explore how Dreamix and Picasso are setting the stage for the future of video production. Embark with us as we delve into the world of Dreamix, Google's revolutionary video editing tool. This isn't your typical software. It's a whole new paradigm of artificial intelligence and machine learning that's rewriting the rulebook for video creation. Dreamix integrates two cutting-edge systems, Imagen Video and Feneki, each possessing unique capabilities that offer a revolutionary experience for both creators and viewers. Imagen Video, a high-quality model, stands on the shoulder of Google's earlier text-to-image system. Imagen taking a quantum leap forward by generating videos from text prompts that convincingly replicates animation. Whether it's crafting an enchanting fairy tale landscape or recreating an epic superhero duel, Imagen Video works its magic, transforming static frames into fluid motion with astonishing fidelity. However, not all that glitters is gold. As it stands, Imagen Video's least convincing clips are those that attempt to mimic the motion of real people and animals. This limitation underscores the challenges inherent in simulating the complexity and fluidity of natural movement. But rest assured, this is a frontier that Google is ceaselessly exploring. While the power of these AI systems is immense, it doesn't come without its concerns. Google is consciously aware of the potential for misuse and the vital safety and ethical challenges. It could be tempting to think of Imagen Video as a key to creating anything you imagine, but Google is keeping a tight rein on the tech, refraining from releasing these systems to the public. Concerns such as propagation of non-consensual pornography, propaganda, and misinformation underline the potential dark side of such technology. Yet, this isn't the full extent of Dreamix's capabilities. Enter Feneki, another ace up Dreamix's sleeve. Unlike its sibling, Feneki specializes in creating longer videos from detailed prompts, from a short clip to a full-length feature. Length is only limited by our imagination. Feneki provides a vast toolkit for artists and non-artists alike, offering novel and captivating avenues to express creativity. Just as Picasso reshaped the art world with his innovative vision, NVIDIA seeks to redefine visual storytelling through their cutting-edge technology, NVIDIA Picasso. This advanced graphics processing tool, announced at the annual GPU Technology Conference, is a part of a new suite of cloud services designed to help businesses build and run generative AI models, tailored for specific tasks. It's about giving enterprises the power to create with AI in ways they've never before imagined. NVIDIA Picasso, part of NVIDIA's AI foundations, works hand-in-hand with its sibling NVIDIA Nemo, which specializes in language models. The two together provide a dynamic duo for content generation, working in perfect harmony to create a domain-specific text and visual content. The process is fueled by pre-trained models, efficient data processing frameworks, robust APIs, and the expert guidance of NVIDIA's engineering staff. At present, the Picasso service is in a private preview, but already, it's sparking interest in its unique capabilities. Generative AI is driving the fast adoption of AI and reinventing countless industries, said NVIDIA's founder and CEO, Jensen Huang. With Picasso, the hope is to unlock an unprecedented level of intelligence and creativity by providing a platform for building text-to-image, text-to-video, and text-to-3D object models. These services allows users to customize their data either by leveraging NVIDIA's pre-trained models or running their own optimized models. However, it's not just the technology that's noteworthy, but also the partnerships that NVIDIA is forging. In an exciting collaboration, NVIDIA is working with Adobe to co-develop the next generation of commercially viable generative AI models on the Picasso platform. These models will be integrated into Adobe's renowned suite of products, including Photoshop, Premiere Pro, and After Effects. This collaboration signifies the promise of Picasso in revolutionizing visual design and animation. NVIDIA is also partnering with Getty Images to train responsible generative text-to-image and text-to-video models, emphasizing an ethical approach to AI development. In a world where copyright controversies are rampant, NVIDIA is mindful of the potential pitfalls. They aim to create models that not only spark creativity, but also respect the rights of artists and creators. As part of this initiative, Getty Images will provide royalties to artists on any revenues generated from these models, striking a balance between innovation and respect for creators' rights. A symphony of innovation, Dreamix and Nvidia Picasso. Dreamix and Nvidia Picasso, each remarkable in their own right, can synergize to create a technological masterpiece when they join forces. This integration will herald a new era in video production, turning dreams into reality on the digital canvas. So, what happens when these groundbreaking technologies join forces? The result is a revolution in the realm of video production. Dreamix, with its expertise in video editing and animation, coupled with NVIDIA Picasso's capabilities in generating text-to-video and 3D models, allows for an unprecedented level of creative control. Together, they offer a platform that simplifies the process of turning ideas into visually stunning narratives. The integration of Dreamix and NVIDIA Picasso opens up new possibilities for creators. Imagine being able to script a scene and see it brought to life in an animated video, complete with 3D models. You could craft a narrative for a historical event, for instance, and see it play out in a detailed, visually immersive animation. Even more exciting is the potential to create real-time adjustments to your narratives based on viewer responses or new data inputs, making your videos truly dynamic. In this partnership, NVIDIA Picasso's advanced cloud services play a crucial role, handling the heavy lifting of data processing, thus allowing Dreamix's AI to focus on creating high-quality animations. The services provided by NVIDIA, from pre-trained models to APIs, streamline the entire process, allowing for a seamless integration with Dreamix. Furthermore, the ethical considerations present in both Dreamix and Picasso's align perfectly. Both Google and NVIDIA have shown a commitment to addressing safety and ethical concerns in their AI systems. The combination of their forces also emphasizes responsible AI usage, with clear policies on data use and respect for copyright, a trait vital in the ever-evolving landscape of video production. The art of possibility, features and benefits. With Dreamix and NVIDIA Picasso, video production is turned into an expansive canvas where every creator can paint their story. The combination of these technologies offers extraordinary features and benefits that elevate video production to astounding new heights. Firstly, let's explore the intuitive and efficient interface of Dreamix. By integrating artificial intelligence into the video editing process, Dreamix transforms complex tasks into a smooth, seamless workflow. Its high-quality model, image, and video focuses on producing convincing animations, while Fineki caters to the need for longer videos. This flexibility ensures that whether you are creating a short, high-impact advertisement or a feature-length film, Dreamix provides the necessary tools. Additionally, with Dreamix, the tedious process often associated with video editing, such as object tracking and color grading, are handled efficiently by AI. The technology can also add dynamic scene enhancements and special effects that were previously only achievable with high-budget production resources. Essentially, Dreamix democratizes the world of video production, making high-quality video editing accessible to all creators. Moving on to NVIDIA Picasso, this powerful cloud service provides a suite of capabilities that redefine visual storytelling. It offers pre-trained models for text-to-image, text-to-video, and text-to-3D content generation, empowering creators to visualize their narrative in multiple dimensions. Its ability to optimize and run your models opens up a world of customization, allowing you to tailor your content to your unique vision. Moreover, Picasso's advanced image, video, and 3D content generation is supported by NVIDIA's Nemo service. This allows for creators to infuse their work with nuanced, domain-specific knowledge, creating more engaging and authentic content. Whether you're developing a chatbot, conducting enterprise searches, or enhancing customer service, the capabilities of NVIDIA's services enhance the value of your content. However, the real magic occurs when Dreamix and NVIDIA Picasso join forces. The integration results in a platform that provides creators with an unprecedented level of control and flexibility. Your narrative can take the form of a high-quality animation or expansive 3D model. The seamless blending of text, image, and video creates an immersive storytelling experience that captivates your audience. As we embark on this exciting journey into the future of video production, let's pause to appreciate the significance of the revolution unfolding before our eyes. Furthermore, the ethical considerations present in both cloud services are not merely new tools in a creator's arsenal, they represent a paradigm shift in how we perceive, conceptualize, and create visual narratives. Imagine a world where the line between imagination and creation is blurred, where the ideas you conceive can be brought to life with the click of a button, where the constraints of the physical world no longer limit the stories you can tell. This is the world that Dreamix and NVIDIA Picasso are helping us to create. Through the power of advanced AI and cloud computing, we are witnessing the democratization of video production, no longer confined to those with the vast resources or highly specialized skills. The ability to produce high-quality videos is now in the hands of anyone with a vision to share. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a budding enthusiast, the combined capabilities of these technologies level the playing field, igniting a renaissance of creative expression. But the influence of Dreamix and NVIDIA Picasso extends beyond individual creators. Entire industries stand to be transformed by these advancements. From entertainment and marketing to education and communication, the applications of these technologies are virtually endless. We're on the cusp of a new era where AI-driven video production will fundamentally reshape how we consume and create visual content. Yet, even as we celebrate these advancements, it's crucial to acknowledge the inherent challenges that come with such powerful technology. Issues of ethical use, consent, and data privacy are at the forefront. Both Google and NVIDIA have recognized these concerns, and their proactive stance on these issues sets a commendable precedent for the industry. The promise for the future doesn't simply lie in technology advancement, but also in our capacity to navigate these complexities responsibly. There you have it. The future of video production is no longer a distant dream. If you enjoyed this peek into the future, make sure to hit that like and subscribe for more stimulating content like this. Drop us your thoughts and questions in the comments section below. Thank you for watching.